To download and install the Oracle Java program that we are going to be using for this class, we will want to start on your home page of NDSCS Blackboard courses. Select the computer science class, the 160, and when you scroll down you will see download a Java compiler. Go ahead and click on that link. It'll take you to the Oracle website. And the one that I have been using that works pretty well is NetBeans. So go ahead and click on it. First thing we need to do when we get to this site is to accept the license agreement. Then we have some choices of different operating systems. The Windows 64, if your system is fairly new, it's probably a 64-bit system, so this is the one you will want to download. Windows x86 is a 32-bit machine, so this is the one you would want to use. When in doubt, just go ahead and use the 32-bit. It's not going to run noticeably slower since we're not cramming a lot of software in our programs, so feel free to download the Windows x86, which is the 32-bit version. So you just click on it. It's an exe file, and it will download in the lower left-hand corner here. We'll just wait for it to download. It looks like it'll take a couple of minutes. Okay, the download is complete. If it doesn't show up in your lower left-hand corner here, then locate it in your Downloads folder. I'm going to click on the exe file and choose yes, so it will make changes to my system, and then we would just want to follow the prompts. After the download is complete, go ahead and open up your program, and there is some tutorials. There are tutorials here or sample projects if you want to look at those, but I'm going to just click that so it doesn't show on the desktop every time on startup. What I did is I entered in one of the first programs that's been kind of shown in chapter 1 of our Java book as a sample. So I'm just going to go to the source package. I just called it my first program in Java, and this is what it will look like. If you want to go ahead and type it in, it would serve as a very good example. Some things to look out for as you type it in is package is referring to this folder, my first program. Notice that everything is lowercase in my first program as it is right here. Follow with a semicolon. The next Java instruction or classified word is a public class. Notice that that is also lowercase, but the name my first program has capital M, capital F, capital P. That has to follow the same name that you have specified here, capital M, capital F, capital P. So things are pretty case sensitive. It won't work without proper punctuation. Inside this bracket, notice that we have a beginning bracket and an ending bracket is where we are going to put our program. First instructions, just basically copy it right out of the book. And this is the variable declaration section where we are declaring hours as a variable. As an integer, that's what the int is. That's going to equal 40 hours. Double just means that it could be that the gross pay is going to be a large value. So double just means that it is setting up your system to work with large numbers. Integers are smaller numbers.